The Honourable Minister, Filipe Tuisawau.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the Honourable Member for the question. For the past 15 years, the Ministry has installed approximately 15,000 solar home systems to rural, remote and maritime areas of Fiji. These systems have provided essential lighting and support for electrical loads up to 300 watts in size. These assistance has played a pivotal role in promoting economic, social development, particularly in sectors such as health, education, agriculture, commercial sectors, benefiting the residents of these areas immensely. These solar systems have been strategically deployed in areas where extending the conventional electrical grid would be too expensive. There is a lot of demand, and the Department of Energy within the Ministry is working within its allocated budget to achieve as much as possible. In the current financial year, the government has allocated $3 million for solar home systems. This funding will cover the supply and installation of approximately 1,000 units. Currently, the necessary materials are undergoing procurement, and the installation process will commence within the next 2 months, in addition to the ongoing, and will complete towards the mid-next year. The initiative underscores the ongoing commitment of government to improve the lives of our citizens in even the most remote areas of Fiji, while also contributing to sustainable and eco-friendly energy solutions. The distributions are throughout the various provinces, including Bua, Mathata, the Konrove, Naitasiri, Serua, Kandawu, Lamaiviti, Lau, Navawasa, and Gasawa in Ba. Thank you.
Thank you.